Let's first have a look at the history of Scrum. The framework had its inception in the 1980s. In the mid-80s, Hirotaka Takeuchi and Ikuhiro Nonaka defined a flexible and all-inclusive product development strategy, where the development team works as a unit to reach a common goal. They described an innovative approach to product development that they called a holistic or rugby approach, where a team tries to go the distance as a unit, passing the ball back and forth. They based their approach on manufacturing case studies from various industries. Takeuchi and Nonaka proposed that product development should not be like a sequential relay race, but rather should be analogous to the game of rugby, where the team works together, passing the ball back and forth as they move as a unit down the field. The rugby concept of Scrum, where a group of players form together to restart the game, was introduced in this article to describe the author's proposal that product development should involve moving the Scrum downfield.
Since then, several Scrum practitioners, experts, and authors have continued to refine the Scrum conceptualization and framework based on best practices. A major milestone in the Scrum journey was the creation of the original version of the SBOK guide in 2013. Over time, the SBOK guide has been continuously improved based on reviews and feedback provided by several thousand Scrum and Agile practitioners, including over 5,000 faculty in over 110 countries who teach Scrum and Agile practices using the SBOK guide framework. This fourth edition is the product of further refinements that ensure the SBOK guide continues to remain valid and relevant in an ever-changing world. The SBOK guide is now the industry standard for companies and practitioners interested in implementing Scrum or Agile practices. In recent years, Scrum has increased in popularity and is now the preferred project development approach for many organizations globally. To facilitate its application across multinational settings, the SBOK guide has been translated into multiple languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, Arabic, Chinese, and Japanese. For more information about accessing translated versions, please visit www.scrumstudy.com.